Welcome back to a new video. These boys back here can be thrown around by a boat. Okay. Say hello to the world.
Hello world. Hello world.
Kyle Barrett, are you famous?
Very famous.
You will be after this.
Alright, I'm gonna start the engine, so I don't want you.
You start the engine.
Okay. Ready, Danny?
I think we're ready to go. What do you think, Will? Think we're ready to go? No? Hey, throw this in the rope at the same time.
No.
I'm kidding.
What?
Let's start the engines.
Make sure it's still hooked up.
Hey, Bob. The bumper.
Oh yeah, the bumper.
Fender.
It's almost like Carter's daring you.
Oh my god! Do it! Give it up! Oh my god! Carter's daring you to do it. Whoa! He wants to fall off. I'm pretty sure he wants to fall off. Whoa! Oh, jeez! Oh my god, look at him! Oh my god, we have man down! Man down! Oh my god. There he is. He's up there somewhere. Johnny's gone. Who was it, Johnny? Oh my god. How you doing out there, buddy? Hey, you're famous for this now. You fell off a boat.
Yeah, that's a good rule.
He fell off the boat. Did my Coke spill? I just forgot about that.
Where is it? No,
It's fine. It's fine.
it's spilling. No, it's upright.
Okay, he's fine. Okay. Okay, back to reality. He's testing you. Wow! 2 men down! Again! Once again! Wow! Major fail, boys. Oh my god, they're all sitting up. Oh my god, what are cars doing? Car's gone. He's finally gone. He's down. Man down. Man down. Man down. Looking for life jackets. I'm holding on. Are you trying to take him? We got him all up! Woo! What'd you think of that, boys?
He was holding on as long as he could. I was not stopping.
That was awesome.
I don't know if I...
You've gone like upside down.
They flipped off the...
Can you flip it? I'm gonna have to bring it in.
Bring it in.
Sure, well, Johnny, sure.
I got the whole thing.
Wait, I want to see that.
I'll show you. I can't show you now. I'll show you when the video's done.
I'll give him the YouTube channel name because he has a YouTube channel and he's gonna post this.
When it's uploaded, when it's uploaded, I'll tell the car to let you guys know. You going in? There you go.
Did you lose it? Oh, we weren't skiing. No. I thought you lost the skiers and I didn't see it.
Bring it right to shore. All right, boys, that was fun. Is that cool? Whew, okay, so I just went. I fell off at least 5 times. Did you?
I fell off 1-0.
Hi guys, I'm Kyle Barrett. Follow me on Instagram.
Well, what's your Instagram username?
Kyle_Barrett99.
Follow Carter.net.
Okay, with those requests, I'm signing off. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little foggy because I'm using my old waterproof case. It's a little messed up. Anyways, thanks for watching today's video. This is more like a vlog. This is more of a fun video. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like the video, so consider subscribing. And if you like Will, give the video a thumbs up. And him. So catch you guys later. Peace.
I'm kidding.
That's his Instagram. Go follow him.